Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. In a world where digital content reigns supreme, opportunities are blooming like never before. Automated video content is becoming increasingly essential for businesses and creators alike. Let's explore how it can change your monetization strategy. First up, we have Pictory AI. This innovative platform offers automated video creation that can save you time and enhance your content. Next is Lumen5, a powerful tool designed for marketers looking to create engaging videos with ease using their fantastic functionalities. When it comes to speed, how do these platforms stack up against each other? Let's dive into a side-by-side comparison. Cost plays a significant role in decision-making for content creators. We'll analyze which platform provides better value for your money. Now let's talk about user experience. How intuitive are these platforms when it comes to navigating their interfaces? Pictory AI shines in various use cases, from creating social media content to educational videos. Here's how you can leverage it for your monetization strategies. On the other hand, Lumen5 is particularly effective for marketers. Let's discuss when you should choose it for your video marketing campaigns. So, which platform edges out in the battle for making money in 2025? Let's review our findings and help you make an informed choice.